Hi guys! Home cooked food is always the healthiest. However, with the busy schedule that everyone has with work, one is often too tired to cook after a long day at work. Hence, most of the recipes that I recommend here are a simple one-dish meal or something which you can prepare in advance and will not take too much time or hassle to cook. Today we are going to make healthy roasted chicken and veggies all in a pan. It's paleo and keto friendly. I would recommend to use a roasting tray or pan if you have one like this, so that the ingredients will be spread out, roasted and caramelized evenly. Otherwise, you can also use a casserole dish, which is what I will be using in my video, except that the veggies will not have the caramelized sweet taste of roast. So let's get started. This recipe serves two. The ingredients you'll need are 400 grams of deboned and skinned chicken thighs chopped. It can be substituted with chicken breast. I bought the cage-free chicken that is free from antibiotics and hormones. I'll put down a link in the description box below for you to check out the product. You will also need 2 cups of bell pepper chopped, any colors you like, and 2 cups of eggplants chopped, 1 medium onion chopped, half a cup of cherry tomatoes chopped. You can also substitute or add other veggies like zucchini and broccoli, which will go very well too. Cooking and seasoning, you need the olive oil, mixed Italian herbs, 1 sprig of rosemary, salt and cracked pepper to taste, and paprika if you like it spicy. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius and you can start to chop the chicken into cubes. Next, season it with mixed Italian herbs, salt and pepper, and let it sit and marinate. In another chopping board, chop all the veggies into large pieces. Once all the ingredients are ready, place the vegetables and chicken in a medium roasting tray or casserole dish coated with olive oil. Add the olive oil, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, and paprika if you like. Toss and combine. Put it in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes or until the vegetables are charred and chicken is cooked. It'll take a bit longer if you put it in a casserole dish. Mine took about 40 minutes to cook. Looks like it's ready to serve. You can enjoy it on its own or pair it with rice or pasta if you wish, but I'm on a paleo diet, so eating this alone works for me. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Do give it a thumbs up, and if you have tried the recipe, leave a comment below and let me know if you like it. Do click below to subscribe so that you can be notified of new videos when it's released. And as usual, thank you for watching.